Welcome to this tutorial video. A great wall design can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. It also adds a real sense of warmth to the design. In this course, you will learn step by step how to create multi-material walls, multi-color walls, and tiled walls. Let's get started. Part 1. Multi-material wall design. Blending different material textures on the same wall can bring a sense of calm, comfort, and relaxation to a space. This design is especially perfect for creating a peaceful bedroom atmosphere. Next, select the target wall and click to enter Wall Editor. On the Wall Editor page, select the rectangle tool at the top to draw. First, determine the rectangle's endpoints. Then input the corresponding values in the length and height text boxes as needed, and press the Enter key to confirm. After dividing the wall into upper and lower sections, click Wall Decor in the left sidebar. Select your desired type at the top. Here, we will use wood veneers as an example. Choose a suitable material and apply it to the bottom area. Then set the extrusion value as needed. You can also set the alignment, horizontal offset, vertical offset, and angle in the left panel. Next, select the modeling line. Check the indented lamp belt in the left panel. Then adjust the brightness, color, width, and thickness of the light strip according to your needs. After the setup is complete, click Paints and Coatings at the top. Select the desired material and apply it to the top area. After placing it, click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. Then click Models in the left sidebar. Select Home Decor, Frames and Pictures. Choose a suitable painting and place it in the target location. Part 2. Multi-color wall design. A multi-color wall breaks the dullness and sparks endless creativity. Use it in a children's room to easily create a playful little world of their own. Next, select the target wall and click to enter Wall Editor. On the Wall Editor page, first click the rectangle tool at the top to draw the ceiling area. Facilitates drawing wall designs underneath. Click the Curve tool at the top to draw your desired shape. Once drawn, right-click to confirm. If you want to adjust the position of the modeling line, you can select the line and manually drag it to the target location. If you want to adjust the curvature of the modeling line, you can select it and simply enter the desired value in the input box. After making the adjustments, click Wall Decor in the left sidebar. Select Paints and Coatings at the top. Choose blue from the colors. Then select a suitable material and apply it to the bottom area. Next, choose a slightly lighter color from the same family and apply it to the top area. After the setup is complete, simply click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. Part 3. Tile wall design. Tile wall design balances everyday practicality with a refined aesthetic. making it especially suitable for highly functional spaces, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Select the target wall and click to enter Wall Editor. On the Wall Editor page, click Tiles in the left sidebar. Select the Mabels at the top. Then click the desired material to apply it to the wall. Click the wall surface. In the left panel Paving section, select the brickwork. In the Control section, you can adjust properties such as the laying position, angle, and gap value of the wall tiles. In the Pattern section, you can directly modify the dimensions of the tiles. If you need to change the tile's style entirely, simply click the Replace button to select a suitable material for replacement. If replacement is not required, click the Close icon after finishing the settings. Click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. Select the wall again. Click Copy in the floating window. Copy this style to another target wall. In the next course, we will continue to learn how to customize kitchen cabinets. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.